We're just in Webberville, Texas. To all the locals and most of the residents in the area, this is known as the Webberville Solar Project. It's a 30 megawatt AC project covering about 250 acres of land. This being one of the largest single-phase utility-scale solar projects in North America right now, obviously it's going to be looked at as kind of a benchmark. RES is gaining solar experience and the solar projects are getting larger into the utility scale size. And RES brings a great opportunity with them because we have all of our internal engineers that are able to do all of our design in-house and a great group of construction management people. This installation, we had already predetermined that we would use trackers, so we would track the sun. We then have to come up with a layout with the tracker manufacturer. Once we have that layout, we then determine the exact location where all these piles have to go. The depth and size of that pile is determined by the geotechnical information we have on this site. Specifically here, because there is very expansive clays, we had to use longer piles and we're actually applying grease to the piles to counteract some of the expansion in the clay. We do have to use surveying equipment to locate every pile. As it's installed, we check how level it is in two directions, and we also have to make sure it's the right elevation and height. After that, we do the installation of the tracker, so we put our torque tubes up, slew gears. Once we have a complete tracker done, which essentially one tracker is comprised of 21 or 22 rows, the next step, we receive the panels, install panels onto the trackers. We have 127,000 of these panels. So once they have them all laid out for the guys, it's very critical we get so many a day. Our last shipment was 3 megawatts, and our next shipment is 4 megawatts. And a 4 megawatt shipment is approximately 14,500 panels. So we have to be able to do that in 10 days. Once all the panels are up, we'll start the electrical installation. For RES Americas, the future in solar is very bright. This being a 30 megawatt project gives us a really good footprint in the market, and we have a lot of more opportunities forthcoming.